Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss about FA2 exams class 10th maths. So first option is C, second option A, third option C parabola, okay, fourth option -8. So for the second option, what is the A? How we can get? The lines are parallel, then the x quotient ratio and y quotients are equal. 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by minus k. So minus 1 into k is equal to 2 into 5, k is equal to minus 10. So for the fourth one, the answer is -8. Discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. So a is equal to b is equal minus 4, c is equal to 3. The equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3. So here we can apply that all the values, we can substitute them, we can get the -8. Next, second Roman, fifth question. So represent the pair of linear equations of the given data. So cost of pencil is x, cost of pen is y. So given condition is 5x plus 7y is equal 50, 7x plus 5y is equal 46. So next, sixth question. Given the equations 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equal 0, 9x plus 12y plus k is equal 0, represent coincidence lines. So if the lines are coincidence lines, then the x quotient and y quotient and constants are equal. So that is here x quotient is 3 by 9, y quotient is 4 by 12, constant is 2 by k. So 4 by 12 is equal to 2 by k. So 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by k. So k is equal to 2 3 ja 6. Next, seventh question. Sum of two numbers is 27, product of two numbers is 182, find the numbers. So let us take one number is x, given sum of two numbers is 27, then the another number is 27 minus x. So product of two numbers is 182, so x of 27 minus x is equal to 182. So here x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. 182 we can write as 13 14 ja. So by using 13 and 14 we can write as sum as 27 minus 13x minus 14x. So x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 13 into 14, then finally we can get as x is equal to 13 and x is equal to 4. Next, verify 1 minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3, and verify that relation between the check the relations between the zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. So x is equal to 1, we can get the polynomial value is 0. X is equal to minus 1, we can get the polynomial value is 0. X is equal to minus 3, we can get the polynomial value is 0. So therefore minus 1 and minus 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 3. So here alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to minus 1, gamma is equal to minus 3. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 1, d is equal to minus 3. From the equation, cubic equation, we can comparison. So then we can get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 1, d is equal to minus 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, its value is minus 3. The relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus 3 by 1 minus 3. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, its value is minus 1. So the relation is c by a, that is c is minus 1, a is 1, minus 1 by 1 minus 1. Alpha into beta into gamma is 3. The relation is alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a, that is minus 3 of minus 3 by 1, 3. Find the trisectional points of the line segment joining the points a 2 comma minus 2, b minus 7 comma 4. So here let us take the p and q are the trisectional points joining the points a 2 comma minus 2, b minus 7 comma 4. So in the ratio at the point p 1:2, at the point q is 2:1. So how you can find by using section formula. So at the point p, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here m is to n ratio, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So here we can get the p values minus 1 comma 0. So next, at the point q, the ratio is 2:1. So m is equal to n is equal to 1. We can substitute the values all. We can get the q point is minus 4 comma 2. So p minus 1 comma 0, q minus 4 comma 2 are trisectional points. Thank you for watching my videos.